Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing SMG4. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off near the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with a curve up, over, and back down on the left. And then move over and do the same thing on the right. And now let's thicken both of these lines up slightly. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw an oval, but we're going to leave a small gap on the top left. And now to close off that gap, let's add a small V-shaped notch in. Now let's hop into the center and let's draw an oval. And now let's color both of these in black. Next, let's move underneath and let's draw a line underneath each of the eyes. And then curve it up slightly at the ends. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move in between and let's draw a curve for the nose. Now underneath for the mouth, let's start on the left and let's draw a curve down and over to the right. And then another curve underneath in the same way. And then close off the end with an angle. Now let's hop inside the mouth and let's draw two curves across for the teeth. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on both sides around the eye level and let's draw a line down. And then curve it down to the bottom for the chin. Next, on top of each side, let's draw a curved V-shape for the sideburns. And then let's add a large curve across for the brim of the hat. Then for the ends, let's angle it up and another curve on top. Now let's move underneath and let's finish drawing the rest of the hair. Let's draw a curved piece down and in between the eyes. And then a wavy line up and over to the right. Then on the top right, one more curve on the side here. Now let's move over to the left side and let's draw two curves coming down to a point. And that's it for the bangs. Now let's move in and let's draw the eyebrows. On top of the left eye, let's draw a curve. And then another larger curve on top of the other eye. Then from both ends, let's bring it up. And a curve across the top. Next, let's move out to the sides and add the ears. On both sides of the head, let's draw a curve out and back in. Then inside, let's add a curve. And then another one down and out. And then underneath each of the ears, let's add another curve for the back of the hair. Next, let's hop up and let's finish drawing the hat. On top of each ear, let's draw a curve up and then bring it in. and then close off the top by curving it up. Now that we have the shape of the hat, let's move in and let's draw the symbol. In the center, let's draw 2 lines up. And then angle them up, meeting at a point. And now let's do the same thing inside to add a border. And then inside, let's draw a block-shaped S. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head and let's draw 2 curves down on the left and 2 on the right. And then a V-shaped point to close off the bottoms. Now let's hop inside and let's draw another V-shape at the bottom. Then let's angle it up and in. And then close it off at the top. And now let's add 2 more curves inside at the top. Next, let's hop in between and let's draw a curve across. And then 1 more curve underneath. Now let's move down and draw the belly. Underneath both sides, let's curve it down and in. Now let's hop to the sides and draw the arms, starting with the left side. Let's start underneath the left side of the head and let's draw a curve out and then bring it back down. And then a bent line inside for the other side of the arm. Now for the end here, let's draw 2 curves going out and close it off at the end. Next, let's add the hand resting on the hip. Let's draw a line down and curve it out at the bottom. Then let's hop up and let's draw another curve out and bring it back up underneath. And then 2 more bumps into the body. And that's it for the left arm. Now let's move over to the right side. For this one, we're going to start with the hand. Next to the belly here, let's draw a curve out and back in for the first finger. And then a bent line underneath. 1 more again. And then a smaller one underneath for the pinky. Now let's hop to the top and let's draw a curve up and around for the thumb. Then curve it down and close it off at the bottom with an angled line. Now let's move to the right and let's draw a curve out near the top and another one at the bottom. And then a curve to close it off. Now let's hop back up next to the head and let's draw a curve down for the top of the arm. And then another curve inside. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath, let's draw an angle down on the left and the same on the right. and then 2 more on the inside. And then close off the bottom with a curve. And now let's hop in and let's draw another curve at the bottom of each pant leg. Next, underneath for the shoes, let's draw a line down from the center, and then a curve out and down from the outside. Then close off the bottom with a slightly wavy line like this. Now underneath, let's add the soles of the shoes. Let's draw a line down from the inside, bring it over, a V-shape notch up, then curve it out, and close off the end. And that's it for SMG4. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!